this menu. There were so many yummy looking items to choose from. So I couldn't decide, so I asked my waitress, and she recommended the charm sandwich. And it was a great recommendation. So I hope if you visit here, you will try one of the many delicious looking items that they have. Oh, yeah, and don't forget one of the delicious desserts. It was a great meal. Okay, I'm going to try eating here in Blue Ridge at Southern Charm. I've got the moon one look, sorry. Anyways, it's the first time for me, and let me decide what I want, and I'll show you when it comes. She brought me out a biscuit, and let me taste this. Warm apple butter. This should be delicious. I'm drinking water with lemon. Can't wait to see that sandwich that I got. It's called the Charm. Should be interesting. Okay, look at that. Got that biscuit sapped up with that apple butter. Let's hope I don't make a mess. That is so good. Never would have thought to have apple butter warm. Goes with that warm buttery biscuit. I give it an A plus, and I give this so far. This place, the food I've seen coming out for people, looks really good. I'll tell you more about it in a little bit. That apple butter is in the corner. This is just a scan of some of it. There's rooms behind me. We're in a old new house. Really pretty. I wonder if they'll take you upstairs. This is known as the Charm sandwich. It's a version of a BLT, but the tomato is a fried green tomato. Normally it comes on it. I asked for it on the side so it would not be get moist, but it comes with two kinds of cheeses. And this is hash brown casserole, and this is horseradish, which I don't need now. But oh well, I can't wait to dig in. Let's take these things off so I don't accidentally eat them. Look at that fried green tomato. Doesn't that look just wonderful? They didn't cut the cheek. Oh my goodness, that's the sandwich. It's going to be a good lunch up here in Blue Ridge, Georgia. Okay, I am ready to try. First, it's going to be the fried green tomato. Just like my grandmother made them in my aunt. I haven't had a fried green tomato in a long time. It was more cornbread dressing than panko. All right, this is the hash brown casserole. It's not Cracker Barrels, but it's got a lot of seasoning. All right, let's try the Charm sandwich. Very good. It's going to be a very good lunch. May try dessert here, or should I go back to the sweet shop and get a cupcake? I can't decide. They have a chocolate molten lava cake with raspberry cream. Might have to try that one. This is my chocolate molten lava cake with raspberry cream and ice cream. That looks really good, and I'm glad it's in a little bowl so it won't run everywhere. It's going to be great. The lunch, the food was awesome. She recommended it. I'm glad I took her recommendation. All right, let's dig in. Let's see how big of a mess I can make. Oh my goodness, look at that. Ooh, did you see the smoke on that thing? Smoking. I'm a little scared. That is some dark chocolate, and that is real raspberry because you can taste the berries. Just a little bit too much dark chocolate for my taste. It's still good. Then you get the little crunchies from the raspberry berries. I give this place a thumbs up if you're in Blue Ridge, Georgia. It's not in downtown kind of. It's on the other side of the tracks. Big yellow southern house. I give it a thumbs up. Hey, thanks for having lunch with me at Southern Charm. My sandwich that the waitress told me was really good, she recommended, was called the Charm Fried Green Tomato BLT Grilled Cheese. I think I said it right. It was really good. I got the fried green tomato on the side so it would still be crunchy, and she says they mix some seasonings up to put in their breading, and it has a kick. It had a kick. Every other bite was a kick, but it was still good. And the 2 cheeses with the bacon and lettuce was really good. The hash brown casserole, it wasn't as good to me as Cracker Barrels, just because I like the crunch on Cracker Barrels, but it was good. It was really good. My water was good with lemon. And then I got the chocolate molten lava cake with raspberry sauce and ice cream. That came out warm. It was smoking. It was really good. You could feel the little the raspberry beads, or what you call. Sorry, my nose is running. It is so cold out there, and my nose, I think, it was numb, and my hands, they were burning. It was so cold. But I wanted to thank you for trying a new place with me. I've always wanted to try it. I wish the Hubs was with me, but he's not. But I saw a lot of good food come by. Fried chicken, meatloaf, you name it. It looked good. And I tried to include, sorry, this is shaking. My hand's shaking. I tried to include the menu of what they all have. They had burgers too. I saw those. But it was a nice little place. It's made into, it was an old, looks like Southern home with big rooms made into a restaurant, and it looks really good. I had a good time. My food was good. Even though I was sitting alone, I didn't feel like I was alone. The waitress kept checking on me. And it was good food, good company, and I enjoyed it. And I'm glad I came to Blue Ridge today, even though I came to see Tiffany's, because if she was open, I would have probably been eating in there with all the Eiffel Towers. I keep calling her Tiffany, but it's Danielle. There was someone working in there named Tiffany the first time we went, and I just sometimes get it mixed up. But Danielle's is the one that burned, that was a great place to get sandwiches and ice cream. But I hope you've had a wonderful day and a great weekend. And if you're getting the bad weather and the snow, I hope you're out building snowmans or making snow angels. Just making the most of it. Or sitting at home in front of a fire with a good book. If you don't have power, it's the best thing to do if you got a flashlight. But let's keep showing kindness. Let's give someone a smile. And I guess I will see you in the next video. Keep on smiling. I'll see ya. Bye. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and come along on more adventures. Thanks. Have a good one.